Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and get rid of your Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S, or maybe perhaps you're selling it. How do you actually go ahead and factory reset it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now let's go ahead and plug in your Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S. Then in order to go ahead and factory reset it, you want to press and hold the power button down and then press the decrease brightness button 4 times. So press and hold this down and then press this 4 times. Now that's going to go ahead and factory reset your Govee Smart Table Lamp. So just to repeat myself, it's long pressing the on and off button and then pressing the brightness down button 4 times. So hold on to this button, then press this 4 times. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.